In this video, I'm going to show you how to switch TikTok accounts on CapCut. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. All right, in order to do that, we need to first open up TikTok. So now once you're inside TikTok, we need to choose the right account where you want to switch accounts for inside CapCut. So go ahead and click on Profile. And now on the drop-down menu, I want to switch accounts from Tutorial Wiz to Knox Ramsey, this demo account. So I'm going to click this account here.
Okay, ready?
All right, so we'll go back to my profile. So now I want to switch accounts to this account inside CapCut. So what I need to do is go back, open up CapCut. Now from here, I need to go ahead and click on to me. So once I click on my profile, you can see I'm currently logged in on my other account. So to switch accounts, I want to scroll down. Sorry, click the gear icon top right hand corner of the page, and then we brought the settings from here. Scroll down, and then it'll say switch account. So go ahead and click on switch account, and now we need to go ahead and add a new account. And then because we're logged into the correct account inside TikTok, to switch accounts inside CapCut, we're going to go log into TikTok. And then we need to, you might need to fill this out, you might not. I'm just going to quickly fill this out, confirm. And there we go, that's how you switch accounts. Once you've got both accounts here, what we can do is easily switch accounts. Click on the gear icon, scroll down, click on switch accounts. And then we've got two accounts we can switch, two different accounts, our TikTok accounts we can switch from. So I'm going to obviously use the pro version on Tutorial Wiz.